Make a great choice today with the 2019 Passport. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cargo area power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
With Honda Certified Pre-Owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.